After this video, you will able to make your own item interaction in Unreal Engine. Let's get begin. So under your content browser, search for user interface and click widget blueprints. Select it and name it whatever you want. Double click to open it, and under left hand side you will find a palette, and here search for canvas panel and drag it into your viewport. And now here search for a vertical box and also drag it into your viewport, and now add a text. You can also add an image if you want, but I am going with the text only. Now select your text and go under this side to write whatever you want to showcase above your item. I am just going with press E to interact, a simple thing. Now come back to your vertical box, and here you just make that anchor in the middle. First make sure to make it full screen, and anchor will be in middle. We have to set the position. Just keep it 0 so that it will be in between. Keep both X and Y to be 0, and here under alignments I am going to keep it around 0.5 so that it will be in the middle, and I will just turn on this. Now we'll come back to my text again, and here I'm going to increase some outlines. I think it must be 2 around, but I don't think it will look that much great. Okay, leave it 2 right now, and I'm going to make it little lighter. Okay, the borders are too much. I'm going to make it 1. You can adjust this as per your need, and just compile and save this. Now we have to create a blueprint for our actor where we gonna display this widget. So I'm just creating a normal blueprint. Name it whatever you want. Now open your blueprint, and here I will add a cube. You can add your any static mesh that you want to use. I'm just adding a simple cube for an example. And now add a sphere collision so that our character can detect this object, and scale it up as per your need. I'm making it around that much. It's kind of closer. You can make it as per your need. And now I will add a widget. Now what we are going to do is, first under this widget session inside class, we are going to add our widget that we created, that is W interaction. Now you can place it as per your need, and that's kind of good. Wait, let me do it a little more upper. Yeah, that's good. Now what I have to do is change the world to screen so that it will move as per player's view. Okay, now here under visibility, make sure to turn off the visibility just because we need it in our blueprints. So turn off the visibility and delete this all. We don't need any of this thing. Select your sphere and just let me remove this first. Select your sphere and right click, and under collisions, on object begins overlap and on objects end overlap. Just add the both of them. Now what we are going to do is first dragging our widget inside our graph, and here I am going to set a visibility. So actually when our player will overlap in our this sphere collision, then it will visible, and when it will end overlapping, it will not visible. Now copy and paste this visibility and just simply drag and connect the target, which is our visit, and connect this function node to this, and it's all done. We don't have to do any more thing in this. Now compile, save, cut this, and I'm going to dragging that object inside our viewport. Yeah, there it is. Now when I press play, then you can see after coming to this, it's visible and the rotations are also good. So that thing is enough for this video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.